Mike. Troy. Shane. Phil. And Fabian. We are off and rolling. First heat. First time with short course on this layout. Oh, that was a little weird. Looks like Fabian just did. Oh, Phil is out early. Looks like he has a little around the truck. Guess it's not just the Lucy's dropping like flies. They're all dropping like flies. They're all checking off. After that first lap, we got Fabian on top. 17.502. Shane 17.502. Hanson 17.509. Squirrel 17.513. Mike's 15.512. That is the early pace. Still 4 minutes 15 seconds to go. Plenty of time for shake-up to happen. Keep it smooth, drivers. Keep it smooth. Looks like Phil's back on the track after a little bit of TLC in the pits. Trouble on the front of me and then the whoops here. I don't know if you felt those yet. Everybody's getting the triple wrong here. John's getting all sorted out. Looks like Phil is out. Tumbling everywhere. Watch the corners. Looks like Troy is broken. You heard the lady in Little Spoon in first place now with a 15.9 going by last time. Shane in 2, Mike in 3, Fabian in 4, Troy in 5. Oh, and Fabian is the landed sideways. Very cool move there.
After 2 minutes 15 seconds, the top drivers are Little Spoon in first place with a 17-lap 502.9 pace, followed by Shane in second place with a 17-lap 503.8 pace, followed by the Nick in third place with a 17-lap 507 flat pace.
I'm just going to let everybody know, Phil put another dead battery in the truck for like the 5th time in a row, the 10th time in a row. He'll be back next race with another dead battery. Only 2 hours. Looks like I think your pit crew needs to step up the game a little bit, as in, maybe I should charge the battery. Alright, Steve's in first, Shane's in 2, Mike in 3, Baby in 4, Troy in 5. Trouble in front of me, that is cleared up. Whitten only, oh crap, everything's changing up now. We got Shane on top, Mike in 2, Hanson in 3, Baby in 4, Troy in 5. Shane's running at 17.502, Whitten 1.2 seconds behind, Hanson 2.4 seconds behind, Fabian 3.7 seconds behind. Less than a 4-second spread among the top 4. Trouble in the corner there. .120 remaining. Phil puts a charge battery in his truck and he's off and rolling again.
After 3 minutes 45 seconds.
Yeah, the truck's a lot faster, Phil. Trouble before the triple and he fits all over it. Trouble off the step down, watch the step down drivers, the step down. That's your leader making his way through. Very nice driving change. Oh, not your leader anymore, he's dropping down. Only 1.9 seconds through the top 4 right now. Anybody's game. Marshall, make sure you watch. There's a very close racing going on right here. Hanson, Mike, Shane, Fabian, all within 2 seconds. Troy's getting a little hung up there, but Jones all over it. Trouble with the wall ride, just cleared out. .30 seconds remaining and anything can happen. Hanson 17.503, Whitten 17.504, Shane 17.508, Fabian 17.509, Troy 13.516. We work together as work together. Oh, Hanson tries to airmail it over Fabian, doesn't make it work for him. He's back on his wheel, trouble with the step down, trouble with the back ripples. Very nice Marshall and Dallas. Maybe enhancing a little bit of rubbing ducks going on here. Hanson, you are done. Fabian, you're still live. Mike Whitten, you're done. Everybody's done except for Mike and Hanson. Everybody's live except for Mike and Hanson. Shane, you are done. Phil, you are done. Waiting on Fabian and Troy. Fabian and Troy. Troy, you're done. Just waiting on Fabian. Fabian, you are done. That is a race unless DNC wants to finish this lap. DNC will finish this lap. Shane. Fabian, Troy, Phil, and whenever you're ready, Dan. Keep it smooth, keep it clean, drivers. Keep it between the bikes. Rubber to the rug. Drivers, watch your corner out the race. He goes on the triple side. Perfect. Trouble up the step down. That's all clear. Instead of Mike having a pretty good battle act there around the wall ride through the ripples. Early leader on the first lap is Phil, but let's see how he takes out trouble on the step down, That is clear. Trouble off the double, that's all clear. Trouble after the double, watch the double guys, watch the dribble, watch the dribble, watch the dribble. That is clear. One doubles in front of me, That is clear, one down, 4 to go. Hanson, Mike, Phil, Shane, Dan, Fabian, Troy. That's your running order. Trouble up the step down, Trouble after the ripples on the right. Keep it clean, guys. Keep it clean. Double or the triple, so then they won't get it up. Double the double. He's got that sorted out by himself.
Oh!
Bill gets into some trouble, he gets into some more trouble. Back on his wheels now. That was your second place driver.
Oh!
Phil still on the second, even with a couple bad laps. Hanson, Phil, Mike, Dan, Shane, Davey, and Troy. That's the running order right now. Halfway down. More the triple, a little bit of trouble maybe, that's all cleared up. Triple on the wall ride, triple with the triple. That is clear.
Oh!
Trouble at the bend of the triple, watch the end of the triple, guys. Still, end of the triple, that is clear. Trouble with the ripples on the right, Dallas all over it, thank you. 1:30 to go. Steve on top, Phil 1.3 seconds behind, Dan in 3, Mike in 4, Shane in 5, Davey in 6, Troy in 7. 120. The leader over the loop line into the doubles and into the triples. One minute remaining, 4 down, 1 to go. Trouble after the doubles in front of me, that is clear. Still trouble after the doubles in front of me.
Oh!
Trouble in the still in the doubles in front of me. Trucks everywhere. 30 seconds remaining. Oh, and Troy parks it in the garage, but Dan Wentz takes care of that. 10 seconds, guys. Make it count. Make it count. Keep it on the wheel. For the double, that's good. That is time. Launch driver in the center, in the center. Everybody's live, everybody's live. Everybody's live. Davey, you are done. Steve Hansen, you are done. Everybody else is live. Everybody's live except for Steve and Davey. Troy, you are done. Shane, you are done. Mike, you are done. Philly, you are done. Waiting on Dan Stevens. Dan Stevens, you are the only one live. He's waiting on Dan Stevens. All right. That's your lineup. Last race of the evening. First night on the layout. Damien 13.5 short course. Less than 5. Nice and easy, driver. No passing, no passing. All right, fairly clean start. Very good. Keep it together. Work together. You guys help each other. You'll end up better in the long run. Very nice. Couple of little minor incidents, but no one's actually put over yet. So this is very good. Oh, looks like Shane is out on the first lap. Hey, you got a couple drivers down before the doubles. Oh, you got Steve humping Phil. That's a little weird. Now looks like it's going to be the race. I know this person out. Baby is not far behind. Oh, and Phil rolls it after the second double.
After 45
The jump out Marshall, the lady is on.
drivers are Little Spoon in first place with a 16-lap 5.2 pace, followed by Mostly No More in second place with a 16-lap 5.1 pace, followed by Saucy Susie in third place with a 16-lap 5.12.4 pace. Drivers are Mostly No More in first place with a 17-lap 5.03.7 pace, followed by Saucy Susie in second place with a 17-lap 5.03 flat pace, followed by Little Spoon in third place with a 17-lap 5.08.6 pace. drivers are low to no more in first place with a 507.3 pace, followed by Salty Susie in second place with a 515.3 pace, followed by Little Spoon in third place with a 17 lap 502.3 pace. After 4 minutes 31 seconds, the top drivers are low to no more in first place with a 18 lap 506.2 pace, followed by Saucy Susie in second place with a 17 lap 502.6 pace, followed by Stevens in third place with a 17 lap 506.7 pace. Stephen Short. Low to no more done. Short done.
So you're done, Dan, you're done, Troy, you're done, Hanson, you're done, bring on Fabian.
Done.
Fabian, you are done. Phil takes it down, 18,507, Fabian, 18,522.